It don't take much to make him happy, does it? Yay! Booty boy! Yay! You booty boy! You want me to walk on it? Now you do it! Booty boy! Good boy.
What's he got?
An egg carton. An egg crate.
What's he dragging? Oh,
An egg crate on his foot. You get kitty.
Errol, you little crackpot.
Watching the classic Jaws because they're all being such little butts. Want the children to see horrible things.
Rush camera.
Hey, you know what?
This is Mother's Day 2010.
Tori,
Rush
Nikki,
camera.
and
Look at
Zoe
me.
grew up on horror movies.
Look at me,
We want our
baby.
children to do the same thing, okay? We want them to have an appreciation for horror movies. Because we don't have any pictures. We have
Nikki.
1,060,000. Oh, Aunt Wendy, really?
Oh, come on. This is my camera. Nobody sees my stuff.
You lie!
Who sees my stuff? This is my camera. Mother's Day 2010 with my sister, me mommy, and Wendy. And Wendy.
I love you, Aunt Wendy.
I love you too, Nikki. And Elle Pie. Elle Pie with her face.
Woo!
Her little face. Ooh, girl, look at that girl go. Look at that girl go.
Go ahead, give her a piece.
What is that?